Hi friends, welcome back to our channel FinStop. As usual, today also we have come up with another interesting topic, which is 4 qualities to achieve financial goals. As in our channel we mostly concentrate on financial things, these goals are also related to financial goals. First of all, for achieving financial goals, you need to have financial planning. In case if you are new to our channel or if you haven't checked our previous videos, we have done a detailed videos about financial planning and how to achieve them, what are the types and all that. If you haven't watched them, I am giving those description in the description box and also in the I-bar. Don't forget to check them out. Okay, now let's move into the topic. What are the 4 qualities that are required to achieve goals? Firstly, to achieve any goal, we need to have an aim. We want to have a clear aim about what we want to achieve. Now, as I already told you that we are going to discuss about the financial goals. Let us say, for example, your aim may be buying a new car or buying a new home or a property or something. You need to have a clear aim about what your goal is. That is the most important thing. As here we can see that Henry J. Kaiser has told that having an aim is the key to achieving your best. He has clearly told that first of all, to achieve anything, if you think that your goal is a lock, aim will help as a key. Without key, you cannot open a lock. In the same way, without aim, you cannot achieve a goal. Okay, this is the first quality you need to have. Now, let's move forward into what is the second quality. The second quality is gathering knowledge. As I have told you that the aim may be buying a new house or a new car, you need to have complete knowledge about what type of house you want to buy, like a duplex or an individual house, apartment, flat, what you wanted to buy. And you have to gather all the knowledge about it. Suppose if you wanted to buy a car, you have to know what car you have to take, where it is available, which showroom you have to visit to take that car and all that. Besides that, you also should have the technicalities. You should also know the technicalities of that particular thing. Like what is the best car available in the market, what is the most durable thing you are gonna get, and in which place you are going to get it at a cheaper price, and what are the buyback options, cashback options they are giving. All the knowledge you should have in hand. You should do your research. Before buying a car, you should go, before 1 month itself, you should go to several showrooms. You should talk with your friends, relatives who own the same thing. And you should do your background work regarding all this. Only then you will have all the knowledge in your hand. This is about the second quality. And let's move forward. Let us know what is the third quality you need to have. You need to do hard work for that. See, nothing in life comes easy, as we all know. If it comes easy, then there is no point in trying itself. So, nothing in life comes easy. So, you have to work harder and much harder if you wanted to achieve something. The best thing to do is, you have to try first. Here, as we can see, hard work is the formula for success. The only formula you have for success is hard work. The next thing we can see by Colin Powell, what he has told us is, there are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work and learning from failure. We also have many quotations saying that failures are the stepping stones for success and all these kind of things. Hard work means first you have to know how to reach there. You have to take even the minutest things will also work. Even they tell that the journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step, which means that you have to first be able to take the first step, which also counts under hard work. We have to know what to do. Now, taking car as an example, even the minutest thing like saving 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees may seem like a smaller amount when comparing to a 5 lakhs car. But that is the smallest thing you could start in the first month. Doing all these small steps together creates as a big house or a big car. This is the third quality. Now let's move to the next thing, which is perseverance. Before going into the topic, let me explain you clearly what the word perseverance means. Perseverance means it is the continuous effort of doing a thing. Let me explain you with an example. Suppose we are traveling somewhere and we wanted to reach to a destination. We started traveling. After going some few miles, there may be an accident on the road for some other people, not to us but for some other people, or there may be a big rainfall, or there may be a big traffic jam. But despite of all these things, we have to cross all these, wait patiently, take one step after the other and reach our final destination. This is nothing but perseverance. When we travel first few miles, after seeing one obstacle, we shouldn't return back to home. We should continue our journey and reach our final destination. In the same way, coming to our planning also, if we find any difficulties in our planning, we shouldn't cancel the plan. We shouldn't think that I don't want to buy a car, I don't want this house. This is not the way. We should not do that. We should suppose, for example, after you thought of buying a car and you saved some money, and suddenly in your family there is some medical emergency or something, then you have to take that money and keep it in other place. But you should not think that this is a failure for that, I could not buy a car. No, you should not think like that. You should use the money there, and again you have to plan. Crossing all these difficulties, you have to reach to your goal. This is what perseverance means. Now let me give you a few lines said by great people. The first one is, the key to success is action, and the essential in action is perseverance. And the second thing given by Walter Elliott is, perseverance is not a long race, it is many short races, one after the other. Which means, like I told you, when you wanted to go to a place, destination, you will get small obstacles. It is not the full journey of 1000 miles. It is dividing into 10 smaller parts. That is what he also told it. This is about perseverance. So guys, these are the 4 topics, 4 qualities that you have to put in your brain if you want to achieve goals. Now, if you have liked my explanation, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Please let me know if you are interested in listening to further more topics like this. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.